Morning folks, and welcome to another episode of
Cook4we.
Today we going and try something a little different again.
I don't know what it is.
Well, I never tried before. It's an experiment. I don't really know what I do it.
Daddy, I don't know what it is.
Oh, okay, I didn't tell you what it is. We're going and try to cook tuna meatballs and spaghetti. Using tuna.
Wait, you forgot something. They're dangerous things.
Dangerous things earlier, true.
Yeah.
Right, so Zaid, let me know. What is the dangerous things we have to look out for in the kitchen?
Scissors, knives, hot water, hot stove, and oven.
Right. Scissors, knife, hot water. Right, yeah, we ain't forget nothing.
Wait, what? But what about fire is dangerous?
Fire, yes, fire is dangerous, but most of the time the fire will come from the stove.
Yeah, but it's dangerous.
Yes,
Just touch it.
Yes, it is dangerous. It's hot. So we're gonna take this tuna, some seasoning, bind it with some egg, sprinkle a cheese, roll it up, fry a little bit, and then we're gonna make the sauce, and then we're gonna mix the sauce with it.
My mouth already drew.
Alright, let's go. So, put some of that.
Okay. But this is the black pepper, right? No. Yeah, it is black pepper. That's not black pepper. Look, it says black pepper. This is black pepper. Yeah, that's the one I told you. Daddy, can I put in gray power? Can I put in gray power?
Yeah.
Daddy, I'm going to shake it. Daddy, I'm going to shake this. Daddy, I'm going to shake this.
Right here.
Hey. Oh, that's kind of loose. That's kind of loose. Now let's put in black pepper. Okay. How many black pepper? I'm going to put the tea. Okay.
Wait.
No.
See, I'm going to throw a little bit.
Not
Try just like that.
I'm going to put in this. You put in the black pepper.
A little bit.
Stop.
Right. You go over that. That might be a little too much.
Okay.
You go over that.
Okay, so
No, it
now
can be
let's
real
put in
spicy.
this. Let's put in this.
Oh, you
Go
put
for
that
it.
here?
No,
What is that?
this is all pumpkin tuna.
No,
I
let me
wanna
read
put
it. All-purpose seasoning.
I wanna put
Try
it.
a little bit there.
A little bit, as in. Okay, yeah.
Right.
Try a little bit more. Keep going. Alright, stop.
Now put in salt.
A little bit of salt. Right.
Now good.
With that spoon. How you gonna mix it up with that? I definitely just mix in the beets.
You mix. Make sure everything you grated fall into the plate, you know.
Yeah.
Right, see? Mix it.
Cheese? You gonna put in the cheese? Put in cheese. Oh.
Right.
Right.
Put on the spoon. Open it. Right.
I can't reach Daddy. Okay. Yeah. Oh, so now putting this. Now putting this.
Wait.
Now you're putting this.
Wait.
Stop. Putting it. Cover it.
You can't cover it yet. You gotta season it a little bit.
I wanna season it.
Almost break.
No.
Do it.
Right.
Why you cannot? Now put in the water. Now put in the blender. Now you can press it.
First press it.
Where?
Oh, yeah.
First, right?
Where can I
What?
put it?
Press number
4.
Alright.
3 forks.
Taste test.
3 forks.
You. Alright. So we finish with
Finally!
spaghetti and meatballs. Well, it's not normal meatballs.
Yeah, because we finished it.
It's
Right, so it's
tuna
tuna meatballs. So who tasted
Yeah.
it?
Me.
Like the last time you taste first, so this time is Zane. Alright, Zane, go ahead. Take your time.
I'm tasting the meat.
Yes.
Woo, that's all.
Wait, is it hot?
Yes, it's hot.
So I need to blow it.
Alright, the mook. That's all it. You can't just pick up the whole meatball like
Yeah,
that.
you have to cut it.
You have to cut it.
My mouth is drooling again.
Just now, Zane. Alright. Blow it.
My mouth drooling again.
Blow it.
I'll take this one now.
So all in. Alright. I will taste the spaghetti with the sauce. Woo. How it is it?
Perfect.
Perfecto.
This
Yeah.
is very good.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure you're not just saying that?
The pepper we add is good.
You're right.
The pepper we add, yes.
A little spicy and true, but it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
I will just keep eating this
I
meat.
can taste the
Yeah,
spaghetti.
I'm tasty.
Yeah, the meatballs with the
Meatballs,
pepper. The meatballs with the pepper is good.
Go ahead.
Mm.
Do like
This is
so.
very
Put it
good.
over the plate.
Put the whole thing in my mouth.
Yeah. All right. Well, folks, they look like the experiment pay off a little bit.
Subscribe and hit that notification bell.
No, it's
Hit that subscribe button.
notification bell.
Hit that subscribe button. Slice that
Like
What?
button.
Slice those likes.
Slide those likes.
Comment down below what we should
Down
be.
below.
And you can just make it slice.
You can make it slicer. Slicer.
Don't forget to ring the bell.
Don't
Adios,
forget to ring the bell.
amigos.
Adios.
Amigos. Bam! This is mine. Daddy, now can play with Nikolai.
We're going to play and then all the eat.
No, I gotta eat.
So we take some food for you.
Yeah.
You're going to play and then you eat when you come back.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'm more drooling whenever I put this thing by my mouth.